can we tell? So first, they have this big and powerful front flippers. But how powerful are they? Check this out. Drum roll, please. So, Officer Van, how's that first strength?
Not bad.
Hey, what do you mean not bad?
Because I believe that Sophie can do better than that.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you that. Okay, Sophie, show these folks what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please.
Do you see? I told you, officer.
Okay.
Well, there's another video that makes the difference from a seal. High flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Okay, Dakila and Sophie, can you please show your high flippers?
Okay, back flip.